Hello guys, good morning. How are you today? Well, this week we made a cow, a horse, the hen with the chickens, and for today we're gonna review this vocabulary, okay? And we're gonna make this page, okay? We have this 1, 2, and 3, this page, okay? Now I'm gonna show what we're gonna do with this, okay? Vamos a ver qué es lo que vamos a hacer con estas hojas. Okay, this is the first one, okay? The first thing that we're gonna do is color the farm, the barn, the fence, and all there, okay? And then we have here some animals. We're gonna color and cut the farm animals, ¿ok? Solo los animalitos de la granja los vamos a pintar y a recortar, ¿ok? Entonces, teacher lo va a hacer para que ustedes luego lo hagan. Ok, I'm gonna cut here. I color all the farm. Okay, now when you finish the color, I put my farm in here on this paper, and then I'm gonna looking for the animals who live in the farm. The first one is this. This is a hen, okay? So the hen go here. I'm gonna paste it. The hen. This is a goat, una cabra, goat. Then we have the chicken. Okay, and this is the first one. Let's gonna see another one, okay? Okay, now we have this. We have to trace the line of the letters and then cut the animals and paste it here, okay? I'm gonna show you what we're gonna do. The first thing is trace the line. This is a cow, horse, chicken, okay. When I have here this, we have cow. So we're looking for the cow is here. So I'm gonna paste it here. The cow. Horse. Where is the horse? Here. This is the horse. I'm gonna glue. Now let's gonna see the last one. Okay, this is the last one. In this, you have to circle or color, van a pintar o a encerrar en un círculo the farm animal who is big. Remember, big and small. Guys, I want to show you some objects that are big and small for this page, okay? For this one. We have here one ball, big, and this one is small. Remember when we sing the song, big and small, big and small, big, 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 small, 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 grande, 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 pequeño, 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 okay? Big and small. I have the scissors too. One is big and the other one is small, okay? Very good, guys. So in this page we have to find the animal who is bigger than the other one, okay? Tenemos que encontrar el animal más grande en cada cuadrito. For example, this we have a pig and a cow. So which one is big? The cow. So we circle only the cow. Circle. You can circle or color, okay? Okay, guys, very good. This is for today. The farm with the animals. The farm animals with the name. And this big and small, okay? I hope you enjoy these activities for today. Espero que disfruten mucho las actividades del día de hoy. Igual que las pasadas, si quieren los pintan, si no, no hay problema, nada más es de ir identificando un poquito el nombre de los animales, identificar big and small, ok? Very good.